Funny little skull cups. Get ice cream because it sounded really good. We also got a 6-pack of butter rolls.
Going down.
What the dog doing?
Oh, sorry. Dirty. I finally got my dinner. I got a crispy chicken BLT. Guys, it literally took us like an hour to get our food. Literally, the sun is down. So I am actually like starving. Good morning, you guys. We made it to Maui. Yesterday was such a long travel day. I think we were at the airport for literally like 5 hours. We were there from like 5 o'clock. Our flight didn't even leave until like 9:30 because it got delayed like 2 times. So we were exhausted last night when we got back, but we are finally here. We're well rested, and we're actually here staying at my sister's place because they are actually in LA right now because my younger nephew's birthday was yesterday. He is a Valentine's baby. So he turned 1 yesterday, so they went on a little family trip to Disneyland for his first birthday. So me and my other sister are actually house sitting because my sister has 2 dogs and they also have some farm animals. So we are just house sitting for them and then helping them out, taking care of all the animals. So yeah, we are doing a little galentines weekend trip here in Maui, but I'm so excited. Even though we kind of come to Maui a lot to visit family, it's always fun coming back and visiting and like trying all the different food food spots, going to the beach, going on hikes, and all that different stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to take you guys along with me on this Galentine's girls trip. My sister and I came to the beach this morning as one of our first stops. We are at Big Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches on Maui. I've been coming here since I visited in high school because I love like the views. You can see like Molokini and Koho'olave from here, and then also it's called Big Beach for a reason. The beach is huge, there's so much space. Even if there's a lot of people here, it's still very like spacious. So I love this beach, but today I didn't want to tan. I just wanted to eat my cinnamon roll with a nice view that's like very relaxing. So we are in the shade, but I have my cinnamon roll here. I just got the classic cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting, and then I chose pecans to put on top. So I'm excited to eat this. I'm starving, guys. It's literally like 11 o'clock. We are at the cutest cafe now called Momona Cafe. I wanted to stop by this cafe because I saw another YouTuber that I watch come here often, so I wanted to try it out. And actually my sister has already been here with my other sister before, but I haven't been, so I wanted to give it a try, and it's so cute. I'm so excited to eat my food. I got a matcha latte because I have been so tired today, you guys. I keep yawning. And then I got actual food because the only thing we ate today was a cinnamon roll, so excited to dig in. Alright you guys, it is almost 6 o'clock now. My sister and I actually came back to the house at around 3 and we kind of just rested for about 2 hours because we were out all day. But it was such a fun day and now we are actually headed out to our galentines dinner. It's super close. I think it's like 10 or 15 minutes away, so it shouldn't take us too long to get there. But we do want to get there before like the dinner rush at 6 and it's almost 6, so we do have to leave. But yeah, this will be our little galentines dinner. I have not changed my outfit. Neither has my sister, but we were just too exhausted to like shower and get ready, so we both actually just woke up from naps. But yeah, I am ready to eat dinner now, so I will see you guys there. Thank you. We're starting off with a Caesar salad to share. My sister and I are trying to make somewhat healthier choices on this trip, which is why we're gonna have some Caesar salad, but it also looks really good, so. Our bread basket also just came. I think this is with garlic butter. My sister said that this is really good, so I'm excited to try it. Our entrees arrived. They were actually very fast with the service, but it looks so yummy. I got the veggie pesto pasta, I believe, and then my sister got the caprese with fries. Look at how thick those fries are and how huge this sandwich is. And then she also got a soup of the day, which is the broccoli cheddar. Good morning you guys, happy Sunday. I am starting the day off by doing a hike with my sister. We are at Waihe'e Ridge Trail right now and I'm literally already out of breath, you guys. We just walked up the steepest hill immediately for like the first half of the hike and I'm already out of breath. It looks like this hike is gonna be really pretty. We had to drive like really far up the mountain and like way in, so I think it'll be worth it to see the view. But yeah, I haven't done any hikes in Maui before, so I'm actually really excited. And yeah, excited to take you guys along with me. Today's gonna be a bit of a more chill day, but still a very busy day. 1 mile down. Feels like we've been walking for more than 1 mile. To go right there for the view. Yeah, we made it! My sister and I are in Paia town now. We finished our hike. It literally knocked the wind out of us, you guys, so we're very tired. But we haven't eaten lunch yet today. We did eat before our hike at about like 8:30, but now it's like almost 3 o'clock, so thankfully we did eat something, so we're not I mean, I am starving, but I'm glad that I like ate something before. But yeah, now we are walking to a little lunch spot in Paia and I think we might just like walk around the area a little bit. And yeah, I showered, I changed, so I feel very refreshed after the hike, but I am still very tired. smoothies came in these funny little skull cups, but my sister got the Chunky Monkey smoothie and I got the Lost in Paradise. It has pineapple and mango. Usually I actually always get like the Chunky Monkey because I love peanut butter, but after that hike I was wanting something like refreshing, which is why I chose like the fruity one. So yeah, and now we're just waiting for our food. Food just came. My sister got the half oval toast and I got a veggie crepe. This is actually like a perfect amount. I was scared it was gonna be really big, but I feel like I can eat all of this. To get ice cream because it sounded really good because it's so hot today. I got the Menehune mint chocolate chip and cookies and cream. These are the two flavors I always get every time I go to an ice cream place, but we'll see. They always taste different, so. Thank you. Thank you. You too. We are back home now. We wanted to enjoy our Komoda bakery things at home before we head out again for lunch because I am leaving later today. So today is gonna just be a day full of eating and chilling at home. But we got a bunch of stuff at Komoda Bakery and I actually already ate some, but I did want to do a taste test for you guys. So we got the stick donut, which is what they're known for. And then we also got the cream puff, and then the guava malasadas, and then we also got a 6-pack of butter rolls. So I'm gonna try the stick donut, which I actually already tried before, but they were so good, so. So good. I actually am never normally a fan of glazed donuts. Like, even though glazed donuts is like the classic, I always love like chocolate sprinkle donuts, but these are so good. They're miniature, they're very glazed, they're not dry, so they're super good. I'm gonna try the butter roll now. The two main things that I wanted to try from there were the stick donuts and the butter roll. I love butter rolls, so let's try this. That's so good. It's even more moist than the donut, and there isn't like too much butter where it's like overpowering. It's like just the right amount. It's so good. Butter rolls are my favorite, you guys. if you are gonna stop at the Komoda Bakery in Makawa though, I do recommend going early. They open at 7 a.m. They're closed on Sundays, but they open at 7 a.m. and a lot of the stuff usually sells out. So I would kind of recommend going like right when they open. We actually got there at like 8:30 and they still had quite a few selection there, but I think if you go like closer to 11 or 12, they might not have as much selection. So I do recommend going early, like closer to when they open. Last stop in Maui before heading to the airport, we are at the food trucks. I got the beef and lamb gyro with a side of salad, and I'm actually going to be bringing this home with me. I'm not going to eat it right now, but I can't wait to eat it. It looks so good.